Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Hershey with your video for Friday, May 7th, 2020. Again, before we start, you can always reach me at jasonhershey2013 at gmail.com or whershey at stillacademyedu.org. Don't forget we have our Zoom meeting Wednesday, May 13th, 6th grades at 10 o'clock, 7th grades at 10:20, 8th grades at 10:40. Also, don't forget our food pantry every Tuesday and Thursday from 10 to 12. And know that y'all are awesome. All right, so today we are going to work on simplifying expressions, okay? Remember, we're scaffolding on top of one another, building upon, okay? So the stuff we did yesterday is going to directly help you with this stuff here, okay? So you're going to need a multiplication chart for this. On the Google video or Google Classroom, I added a multiplication chart. If you don't have one, just pull one up. Like if you're doing the hard copy, just pull one up off your phone or something like that. All right, so simplifying expressions. Here's our example. -4, remember the parentheses means times 7 plus 10, minus 2v plus 4v. Really, all we're doing, as you can tell from this, is we are just multiplying here, okay? So 4 times 7, or -4 times 7 is -28. -4 times positive 10 is -40, because remember, positive and a negative equals a negative. And then these stay the same, minus 2v plus 4v. These just come down. Now you're just adding all the like ones, okay? So you're going to add the numbers without the letters together. So -48 minus -28 minus 40 is going to be -68. Remember, on the number line, okay? Negative numbers always go to the left. Positive numbers always go to the right. Okay? So remember that. So -28. Okay? So remember, if this is -28 right here, minus 40, you're going this way 40. So you're going to get bigger. 28, that's 29, -30. Okay? So you're going to get bigger as you go. Okay? So -68 plus 2v, so -2v plus 4v. Again, negative and a positive is a negative. You start off at -2, and you got to go forward 4. So remember, positive always goes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay? So -68 plus 2v. Okay? So that's all you're doing for that one. So let's look at this one here. This one only has two numbers. So remember, you're going to multiply -9 times 8, -9 times 4v, okay? So -9 times +8 is -72, okay? Plus 9 times 4, 36, plus -36v. Okay, because remember, a negative and a positive is a negative, or a positive and a negative. So your answer is -72 minus 36v. Okay, and then you would just write that. Okay, makes sense. All right, let's try number 2. Okay, 2. So remember, we are going here, here, here. So because they're all in the parentheses, you're going to multiply all of them, okay? So -2 times -8 is -16. 2 minus 2 is -4. 2 plus 2 is 4v, plus positive and positive, plus 12v. Okay, did you see how I did that? So positive and a negative is a negative. Positive and a negative is a negative. Positive and a positive is a positive, and positive and positive is a positive. Okay, and now you're just doing these. So you're going to do these two together, these two together. So -16 minus 4 is -20. Because remember, -16, you're starting off on the negative side of the number line, and -4, you got to go left. So you're going to get bigger. So -20 plus 4v plus 12v is 16v. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Okay. Again, this one is actually kind of a trick problem because 1 times anything is itself. So your answer is going to be negative 4 minus 9v. Will not change because it's 1. Okay. Okay, there's that. And this one, again, multiply here, here, here. Okay. So negative 8 times positive 8 is negative 64, because remember, a negative and a positive is a positive, or is a negative. Negative 8 times negative 8 is plus 64. Okay. And negative 8 plus 7 is going to be negative 56v. So negative 64 plus 64 is 0 minus 56v. So you can write it either 0 minus 56v, or because 0 means nothing, you can just write it as 56v. Okay? So we did it. We'll do one more. Okay? Now, on this one you ask, there's 2 outside. You're only going to multiply the one that's right next to the parentheses. So the 6 is just going to come down. Okay? 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28v. Plus 7 times 4 is 28v. So 7 times 3, 7 times 4v, 7 times 4v. So now, doing just what we did before, you're going to add these 2 together. Okay, so these 2 will come together. These 2 will come together. Okay, so 21 plus 6 is 27, plus 48. 28 plus 28 is 56. 56v. So there's your answer. 27 plus 56v. Okay? So just remember, multiply. Remember your positive and a positive equals positive. Negative and a negative equals positive. Positive and negative equals negative. Negative and a positive equals negative. Okay, so remember that when you do this, you guys got this. You have to make sure that you hit submit on your paper, and you're going to do it in the Google Forms. Okay, so have a good day. Email me, jasonhershey2013@gmail.com or whershey@steelacademyedu.org if you have any questions. Don't forget our Zoom meeting next Wednesday, 10 o'clock for 6th, 10:20 for 7th, 10:40 for 8th. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful day. Peace.